Hello my friends, this is SERVi Homestead. Thanks for joining us. I want to do a science experiment with you. Alright, so our simple old Kenmore washer stopped working. It was making a noise on spin and drain, but it wasn't spinning. Looked up some videos, some good videos out there on repairing them, and found out that this coupling is part of it. So it just cracked right open. It fits on the square shaft of the transmission, and there's one just like it that couples with it that fits on the square shaft of the electric motor. And it cracked right here and right here. And I saw a trick from Stephen Cox, who is a mechanic, and he said that an older person taught him this trick with super glue, crazy glue, Loctite glue, those kinds. I think there are acetyl hydride, something like that, types of glues. If you put a thin layer and sprinkle baking soda on it and let it dry, it gets really hard. Some chemical reaction. Then you put another thin layer of super glue and more baking soda and so on, and it's almost like welding plastic. Cold weld of plastic. So I drilled holes in here, wrapped it with wire, and then I also put the super glue baking soda around it. You can see the cracks right there, and I'm hoping it holds. I did order another one. It wasn't expensive, but it's not going to be here for a few more days. And it'd be great if this holds for a couple of days so we can get some clothes washed instead of trying to wash them by hand in a basin. Alright, let me go put it back together and see if this works. See the square sides on the shaft? This will fit right there, and the three legs will couple with this rubber disc and these other three legs. That's how the motor joins the transmission shaft. Alright, got everything back together on the bottom. Now I'm about to put the shroud on and the control panel. It's always a good sign when you don't have any screws or bolts left over. No wonder it filled up so slowly. The result of hard water. I'm not sure if there's a screen in there. I think there is. I'm going to have to get it out. Clean it up really well. Sheesh. Moment of truth. Get some water in there. It's flowing so much faster than it used to. It used to take forever. Okay. I pray that this works. Thank you, Lord. It's just temporary, but it'd be great if it works. Let's see if spin will do something. Oh, oh. It's not making that weird noise it was making. Oh, I saw it spinning. Yes. Yes. I think we did it. I think the first thing I'll wash is all the towels that I used to clean up my mess of leaks.